Let me make this as clear as possible because many Etsy sellers still struggle with understanding this. In case you're asking, Janaea, how do I comply with Etsy's policies when Etsy's policies clearly states that before contacting your customers outside of their platform, the Etsy policies require you. Hey, it's Janaea Monique from Designs by J Mobi. For some time now, I have been able to drive traffic back to my Etsy store through email marketing. I now understand that if I don't make any sales, I won't make any money. But there are sometimes I make a sale and I still don't make money. That's partly because of Etsy fees. But at least I can funnel those customers over to my email list. By doing so, it allows me to nurture a more meaningful experience and keep people up to date on new items when I'm running a promotion on my Etsy store. And it just makes my connection with them more personable. Etsy sellers who are using email marketing can bring in more income during slower days, control when they want to promote certain items to certain people, and it helps build trust while you're developing more personable relationships. But see, one common question that I get from Etsy sellers, they're wondering how they too can implement email marketing as a strategy to drive traffic back to their Etsy store. See, it's one thing when you opt into your Etsy ads, you're marketing your Etsy store on your social media platforms, or sometimes you may even attend like one of those trade shows as a vendor. But what about attracting customers to engage with you through an email list? This way, you can continue to delight them through valuable offers that they will actually like. So is it possible to do email marketing even if you don't have a website? Today, I'm going to show you how to use a powerful tool that is available right through your shop manager function in your Etsy store. To see the integrations you can add to your Etsy shop from a browser, you want to go to Etsy.com and then click on Shop Manager. From there, you will also be able to click integrations. There is where you can view all the integrations that you can actually connect to your Etsy shop. Okay, so to get started, we're going to use my Etsy store as an example. Okay, since I have the access. Okay, so when you go to your shop manager, okay, let's click there. Okay, there's going to be a tab right here called integrations. When you tap on integrations, you'll see a discover and then you'll see manage. Manage is where you already have your integrations in place. As you can see here, I am inside of my Etsy manager, Etsy shop manager. Tools that help you run, market, optimize, and enhance your business. The first tab here, or the first section rather, is market and promote your shop. You'll see a list. These are all of the approved integrations that Etsy allows to sync to your Etsy store. There are some other good tools that they have to help improve your listings, understand buyer trends. One popular one is eRank there. And then you also have some bookkeeping if you want to link your QuickBooks and just some other tools in case you didn't know this was here. So these are things that you can utilize to help you to grow and to sustain your Etsy store. Okay. We're going to go to Aweber. So when you click on Aweber, it tells you here you can learn more about Aweber. It is an email marketing. Okay, email marketing service. It's where you can host your list. Get more sales from the same customers when you promote your Etsy store via email marketing. Now, Aweber integration adds people to your email list after a purchase. So Aweber makes it easy to market new and popular products with sync product listings you can drag and drop into your emails. So how can I make more money with email marketing? You could keep new customers coming back to your store with a welcome email and a discount code. So if you have like a freebie or something that you want to offer a discount code, I recommend at least 20 to 25%. Stay away from the 5 and 10%. You want to make something really valuable, give a really good discount code, 25% off when they on their first purchase or for signing up, whatever the case is. Okay, subscribe. So you're going to promote your Etsy store to all of your customers. You can use an email, a newsletter. Aweber has templates to help you with that. So you don't have to be a pro in graphics or anything like that. Don't be intimidated. I am not a pro. I'm not a pro at filming this video, but I'm doing it. And when you utilize the right tools, they'll help you get through your journey. And then the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. You can also use things like Canva. They can help you with email newsletter templates and things of that sort. So send emails faster with the drag and drop Etsy listings. The Etsy listings that they help you with, this is what it includes. It includes the product name, the image, the description, the price, and the link. So they can click on the link right from your email newsletter and it'll send them over to your Etsy store. How easy is that? How convenient is that for not only you, but it's for your buyers? They want convenience, and the email list makes it convenient for them. It makes them to be able to get in contact with you when they need to. So they don't say, oh, where'd you get that from? Those are really nice earrings, Janaea. Oh, I just got them off of Etsy. No, when you are building a community, they remember your name. They'll go to their email list. Say, let me check. She just sent me an email a couple of days ago. Let me see. What's the name of her shop? Boom. They go to their email inbox. Oh, yes. Designs by J Moby. That's right. Makes it a little bit easier for them. Okay. So tag email subscribers by similar interests. So they give an example here. So I'm going to they use the hat, and we can use these earrings as well. So everyone that purchases a hat from your store, you can create something called like a tag, where you tag them and then you can target them specifically for things that they like. That way you don't get on their nerve. You're not, let me make this bigger. See, I told you I'm new to this. Let's see. There's a way for me to make this bigger. Yes, there we go. Haha. Okay, so you can tag those customers, and that way you know which emails to send to which customers and at what time. So for an example, for my shop, we do cut and sew custom fitted face masks, and we also design luxury face shields. So people that order face masks, we know that they like face masks, and we want to let them know when face masks are on sale, or when we're running a promotion, or when a new design comes out, something that they may be interested in. It doesn't mean that people that wear face shields don't like face masks, but it does mean that people that order face shields, we want to make sure that they are up to date on mask mandates, because sometimes people don't want to wear a mask. They're going through a unmasking phase, and maybe they need data about certain things that are going on in relation to face mask. For an example, I live in Los Angeles, and right now we are back on red status. That means that if we are red consistently for 2 weeks, the mask mandates will go back into effect in public settings, where if you're going into grocery stores, especially school campuses and things like that, you're going to have to wear a face mask again, a cloth covered face mask, mouth mask. You won't just be able to wear a face shield only in some of those settings. So those people that order face shields, they need to know that. They need to know how to check their community levels. So there are some other things that we send out to them to help make sure that they get the information that they need. And we do that through the tags. Okay, so let me carry on. Now, it also talks about creating your email designs to match your Etsy store. I think that that's a pretty cool feature, because you don't have to be a pro in graphics, and you don't have to be a pro in some of the other software that you may use. You can plug in your URL into something called a Smart Designer, and it'll give you 7 branded templates. And it'll be similar to what your Etsy store brand is, your colors. It helps you coordinate your brand with your email list that you're building, or your email newsletter rather. It says, how can I grow my subscriber list? This is a very good question, because, it's important to grow your list, because the more people you have on your list, the more offers you can make and the more money you can make. Okay. You can keep, integrations automatically adds new buyers to your list. Then it sends a confirmed opt-in message to complete the Etsy approved subscription process. Now, Aweber's team can safely import your past buyers complying with Etsy's policies. You can also set up a beautiful landing page where prospective customers can sign up for your list. Now, I'm glad that they do that, because had I known what I know now about email marketing, email list building, email stacking, when I first opened my Etsy store, I could have been able to stay in contact with so many more people. I have over 2,600 transactions on Etsy, And that's just from 2020. And that's just Etsy. I have offsite transactions where I'm up to almost 5,000 transactions on Etsy and off Etsy on face masks and face shields and eye goggles that we have been able to ship globally because there was a PPE shortage. So I just jumped right into action and started helping. And so we haven't stopped because PPE will be here forever. My background is in culinary industry, and that's how I knew what PPE was. I said, PPE, that's personal protective equipment and clothing. I know about that from working in the industry because we have to have cut gloves and oven mitts and aprons, slip-resistant shoes. I was always responsible for supplying those things and all of those companies that I worked for, including the state of California. So I really know what PPE was, and I also know about email marketing because I was responsible for local marketing with all of those companies that I worked for over the years. So that's what made me to start to look into email marketing because I said, it's like I get a sale from Etsy customers and then I just wouldn't hear from them again. I'm like, how do I get these people back? And that's how I start learning more about email marketing, in that it is not true that just because I'm an Etsy seller that I can't do it from my Etsy store. So when you integrate your Aweber specifically, we're using them as an example because that's one of the ones that I'm familiar with. So Aweber, when they sync to your Etsy store, they will import all of your past buyers. I think it might be up to a year. I think it's up to a year, but either way, they import your past buyers. As a matter of fact, subscribe because I'm going to confirm that, and I'll come back and I'll elaborate and I'll find out more. How far do they go back? Because that's good to know. So when they integrate your past buyers, they are in compliance with Etsy's policies. They're going to send them a confirmation message. They're going to confirm that they want to be there. The confirmation message, you can see that like an invitation. The confirmation message, aka double opt-in, is an email that is sent to new subscribers to confirm they want to receive emails from you. In order for the subscribers to be fully active on your list, they need to open that email and click the button inside. This confirms that they want to receive emails from you, and it changes their status on the subscribers page from pending to subscribed. The Aweber article suggests what you should consider including in that message. This keeps your email transactional versus promotional, which is spam. Making sure that you properly set up your email list gives you ownership. An email list is an asset. It's yours. Facebook, Instagram, or even Etsy cannot deactivate your email list. Now, the more customers that you have in your email list, the more opportunity there is to make more money. Well, that is it for now. Hopefully you have learned how to sync your email list to your Etsy store. Again, I am Janaea Monique, and I'll be seeing you in the inbox.